Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna start talking about data types. First of all, let's just I'm gonna show you guys how to comment code on C++. You just type / and you can type this is a comment. Okay, this is a comment, as you guys can see. So that's it. We're gonna talk about data type. So data type is like let me think of a word. It's like a slot. Okay, you can think of a data type as a slot to put some data. Okay, so a data type represents some kind of data. Okay, so we have different types of data in C++. So the first type of data we're going to talk about is integers. So there's lots of ways of how we can think of a variable which we're going to create. So to create a variable, the first thing you're going to need is to define its type. So int, which stands for integer, the name of the variable, such as number. So you could do this, and also, so we're going to do this, okay? To get started, we're going to print this variable. So there's lots of things that you can think about programming in C++. So we're gonna usually deal with data. So we have some data. We're gonna try to print this into the screen. Okay. So we try to print this into the screen. You guys can see we have. Let me see what we have. Okay. Printf. Oh. Sorry guys, I was thinking of C++ actually C, right? Yeah, that's odd. Let's do this with C++ now. Let's try to run this. Okay, so if you guys pay attention here, we have this random number which seems to not have any significant value, but this is actually the address of this variable. Okay, this is not relevant, but okay. So let's say we're gonna assign some value. We can define the value of a variable. So let's say int number equals 2019. So if we compile this and we execute, we're gonna say 2019. Okay, so you guys cannot store things like 0.6 here. This is a float number, we'll talk about later actually. So you guys can see we actually did compile, but we only show 2019. Okay, so this is the video guys, hope you enjoy. See you guys next time.